Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civology, the study of civil engineering. Today our topic of discussion is grades of concrete. When we talk about grades, it's mean that we are talking about the strength. If it is the grade of steel, it's mean the yield strength of a steel. And if we talk about the grades of bitumen, it's mean that the penetration grade, that how much stress it can bear. Okay, now if we talk about the grades of concrete, it is mean that the compression, or you can say the compressive strength of concrete, because concrete is meant for compression. The purpose of concrete is to withstand compression. Okay, so what does M5 means? This is the normal question which arises in our mind, that what is M and what does 5 means. Similarly, what is C and 16 by 20 means. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss the American standard and British standard, which categorize the concrete on the basis of their strength. So before we start our today's topic, if you are new to my channel, you are requested to please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. So let's start our today's topic. First of all, we will discuss the American standard. American standard categorize concrete on the basis of its strength, and it is denoted by M5, as there are different grades of concrete and there are different notations for them. First one is M5. Similarly, M7.5, M10, M15. You must have seen these representations in the book and on the social media and engineering websites. Okay, so what does this mean? So this means that M stands for mixed design. By mixed design we mean the mix ratio that we use for mixing of the ingredients of concrete, as concrete comprises of, as you know, that cement, sand and coarse aggregate. Okay, so this is the M stands for mixed design, and the word digit 5 means the compressive strength of concrete at 28 days in Newton per millimeter square. So M5 means M is for mixed design, that is the ratio of concrete, which could be 1:2:4, 1:4, anything. Okay, and 5 means its strength in Newton per millimeter square, and 5 means 5 Newton per millimeter square or 5 megapascals. Okay, and this uses the ASTM standard C39, which uses a cylinder for the testing, as a testing specimen, which is tested after 28 days under the compression testing machine, and its standard dimensions are 30 centimeter, that is the depth of this cylinder is 30 centimeter and diameter of this cylinder is 6 centimeters. Now if we talk about grades and ratios, the M5 grade concrete have ratio of 1:5:10. Okay, and as we as I told you before, that one mean the one part of cement, and if we take one part of cement, sand should be 5 parts. Okay, 5 times as that of cement, and 10 means the coarse aggregate should be 10 times as that of cement. Similarly, M7.5 grade have the ratio of 1:4:8, and M10 have the ratio of 1:3:6, and M15 is equivalent to 1:2:4. Similarly, M20 grade concrete is equivalent of 1:1.5:3, and similarly M25 grade concrete have the ratio of 1:2:2, and then there come higher grades. Okay, so these are basically these ratios are basically categorized on the basis of their strength, and in American standard these grades are represented, as you can see over here, that is by M5. Now coming towards the British standard, British standard use this notation for representing the strength of, you can say, the compressive strength of concrete. Now what does C stands for? C stands for concrete strength class. Now there are different classes of the concrete, and these concretes are based by volume. I have made a detailed video on classes of concrete, the link of which is given in the description. Please also watch that video. So C is the concrete strength class, and 16 means compressive strength of concrete at 28 days in Newton per millimeter square when tested with cylinder. And this is the cylinder specimen, or you can say the cylindrical molds which are used for testing of compression of concrete, and the standard dimensions of this cylindrical mold is 30 centimeter and 60 centimeters. Now what is 20? 20 is the compressive strength of concrete at 28 days in Newton per millimeter square when tested with cube. Okay, it's mean that the such type of concrete will have 16 Newton per millimeter square strength, compressive strength, when tested on cylinder, and same concrete is when tested on, you can say, tested on the cube of standard size. So this is the standard cubical mold. Okay, and when same concrete is tested in the form of cube in compression testing, its strength will be 20 Newton per millimeter square, or you can say 20 megapascals. So these are the few notations and representations of grades of concrete. I hope you have now understand what does M5 and C16 by 20 mean. For similar videos, you are requested to please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. That's all for today.